This is a wonderful business opportunity that I've been talking about, which is a Naira platform that you use your fiat to make a deposit. It's mainly for Nigerians, but if you are in diaspora, you can be able to reach out to your families and friends here in Nigeria to help you out, and then to do registration, and then to add their account number so that they can help you to withdraw the funds and send it through crypto to you wherever part of the world you're. All right, this is a business opportunity that you match products. It's an order grabbing platform, and then people have been making so much money from the system. Right now, let me teach you how to do the um, task. You click this middle button icon, Rob. Okay. We have Lazada, that's VIP1. We have VIP2 Amazon, VIP3 eBay, VIP4 Linio, VIP5 Mercado, VIP6 Pay. I'm on Amazon, which is a 50,000 naira. I started from 50,000 naira, so I want to perform the task now so that you can see how to perform the task. All right, I've already done 28, so I leave it for me to do this video so that I can be able to cash out my earnings. I'm having 130,000 there now, and then let me do the task so that you can all see how to perform the task. All I need to do is to click the automatic, and then in order, then I've earned 142 naira as a profit. Then I click submit. I click submit. Okay. All right, it remains only one task, is 30 tasks in a day. So I click automatic order again. Okay, click submit again. I earn 142 naira as a profit. Yeah, you can see I've completed my 30 task, and this is 130,300. So yesterday is 4,479, today 4,401.